will display delightfully in the formal dining room of this completely remodeled home in Copperas Cove. Offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, master suite with walk-in closet with custom storage for your wardrobe, separate shower, classic living room with wood floors, very large laundry room, brand new kitchen with custom cabinets, microwave, range, dishwasher, double sinks, granite countertops, appliances included, pantry, new roof, new doors, new exterior siding, new windows, new light fixtures and ceiling fans, oversized one-car garage, big shaded yard, new electrical wiring, new plumbing, new AC, new paint, custom blinds, new carpet. Conveniently located to the public library, walking distance to elementary schools, VFW, restaurants, easy walk to Walgreens, and quick access to BUS HWY 190 if you need to head towards